How to make Snapchat account public to private. If your Snapchat account is public, you have a public profile or some other reasons, and people are messing up with your account and so on, and you want to switch to a private account. It's fairly simple to do so. You have to follow a couple of steps. First, you open the Snapchat app, tap on your Bitmoji avatar from the top left of the screen, and once you've done that, go to the option that says public profile. Then once you go to the option that says public profile, what you have to do from here is tap on the gear icon from the top right, scroll down and select clear public profile. You cannot completely get rid of public profile now, but we can externally just clear it. Now you can also customize a couple of privacy settings within your account. Tap the Bitmoji avatar from the top left and again tap the gear icon from the top right hand side, but this time going towards settings. Scroll down under privacy controls, you can see a couple of steps. So under who can use my Bitmoji avatar, you can set this to only me. Who can view your story, to make it private, you can select custom. Who can comment on your posts or your snaps, or who can see you in find results or your activity indicator. If you want to set it to completely private, you can customize those settings manually. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.